Hi, this is Chris for Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2007 Suzuki SX4 sedan, stock reference number 4261. The shape runs from the second month 2007 through to the 12th month 2009. It has a J20A 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. J20A 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the right hand front and side. We have the bonnet, which appears to have no damage, left hand headlight, left hand fog light with surround, left guard appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with factory 15-inch alloy mags, left front has a good tyre. We have the left power door mirror. Both left hand doors have one small dent each. Left rear 15-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left tail light, it's got a tidy rear bumper cover. Boot lid appears to have no damage. Right hand tail light, right rear 15-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has two small dents. Right power door mirror has some scratches on the cover. Driver's side door trim. Power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a manual type center console in black, 5-speed manual gear shifter, heated controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, owner's manual and service book in a dealer's case, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a pretty average 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.